Okay, so what do we have? This is a flower pot that I got from Dollar Tree a while ago. This is plastic. You can use a terracotta pot if you want to. I just didn't happen to have one, okay? Now, if you're going to actually put a real plant in this, of course, you're going to want to pop these holes out down here to allow for drainage. We're going to paint it sort of a flesh tone. Now, I'm kind of limited as to what color of paints I have. I have khaki and like this pink color. I've got just a little bit of khaki in this bottle, so I'm just going to add some of this pink to try to get it to resemble a flesh tone of a real human being. I don't know. This is a little gray to me. It says khaki, but to me in this light it looks gray, or has like a gray undertone. I don't know. So I'm going to add some of this pink paint and some of this off-white paint over here, and we're going to mix it up and see what we get. All right, I think I have something that looks a little bit closer to a human being. Like I said, it was quite bad. It was quite bad. But anyway, we're just going to paint this, and this is probably going to take 2 coats, okay? I did thoroughly wipe down this planter with some rubbing alcohol, you know, just to clear away any dirt, debris, and oils from my hands. But we're just going to paint this. We're going to let it dry and then come back with another coat. Okay, so I have a few things here. These are these finial dowel caps, and I got these at Hobby Lobby. Okay, so here's the size. These are 3/4 inch. I'm going to use those for the ears. And then I had like this rogue one just laying around over here. I'm going to use that one for the nose. Now listen, if you don't have these, you don't need to go out and buy them. You can use a wooden bead. That would be absolutely fine. Just use a wooden bead, but I just have these laying around, so that's what I'm going to use, okay? And you need to use something that's going to stick out a little bit for your glasses to rest on, okay? Now, what I'm going to do is we're going to glue those to our pot. I'm going to use a little bit of hot glue. That's going to give us instant hold. And then we're going to use also E6000, because if you put this outside, the heat is going to melt your glue. It's going to fall apart. So anyway, we're going to use a little bit of that here in a second. And then we will paint these the same color as the pot. It's just easier to paint if you have them glued down first, okay? But anyway, check out these glasses. These came from Dollar Tree. So what I'm going to do, unless you want to paint on eyeballs, which I don't want to paint on eyeballs. It's going to be bad enough having to paint on the mouth. I've got this black acrylic paint, and I'm just going to paint the back of the lenses to make them dark so that you can't actually see the eyes. Unless, like I said, unless you want to paint the eyeballs on, that's fine. You do that. I don't want to. Anyway, this little piece that I'm going to use for the nose, let's go ahead and glue that on there. But like I said, these glasses fit snugly. Now, if you have a pot that's a little bit smaller than this, hold on, I'm trying to open this daggone glue. But if you have a pot that's smaller than this, that, you know, the glasses may not fit as snugly on it, then the placement of the beads will be really important. So I'm going to put some E6000 here. And here, like I said, that's going to give us long-term hold. Now we're going to take our hot glue. Oops, I had a blob of glue on the end. Take your hot glue and put it there. And then we're just going to glue this down right about where we want the nose to be. That looks good. Okay. Glue that right down. Then we're going to, like I said, we'll go back and paint it, okay? It's just easier to paint if it's already on there. Okay, so now we're going to take these and glue these to the sides. Okay, so it is the next day. All of the paint has dried, and I did put on a coat, well, actually 2 coats of clear spray paint on top of this, okay? It's a satin outdoor spray paint from Rust-Oleum. You can get that at pretty much any like hardware store. Walmart carries it as well. Okay, so my hot glue gun is ready. Now from Dollar Tree, I also got this headband here. I thought that was cute. So we're going to be taking this and we're going to be gluing that to our pot. So let's cut this off here. I'm trying to do this, trying to like hold the pot sideways and stuff so I can get it in frame. But anyway, let's just go ahead and carefully place that around our pot here and see about where you want that. Let's see where the ends we want that to be. And then we're going to have to glue this down, okay? So I'm just trying to center the little knot thing with the nose. Okay, so let's go ahead and put the glasses on it too so we can kind of see where we want this headband to be, because we are going to be gluing this in place, all right? So carefully put your glasses on. Okay. So there's that. Okay, so now we're going to put this on here. Like I said, just to see about where this falls with the glasses. And I think that's going to be okay. So we're going to bring this. That'll be okay. So now we're going to take our hot glue. Let's just go ahead and hold this in place on my thumb here. And put my hot glue here. And bring this up and just glue that into place. Okay, I think that's going to hold. So I can put my glue over here. Boink. Okay. Okay, so now we're going to glue that down. Now you can also take your E6000 and just under here, oh, there's a string. Take your E6000 and then just kind of like go under here. Just put a few dots of the E6000 just down in there, you know, just to give us that long-term hold. Because like I said, if this is going to be outside, then you run the risk of the hot glue coming off, okay? So there's that. There's our glasses. Okay, so I just kind of roughly sketched on a mouth there. Let's take these glasses off so that's easier to handle. Okay, gonna lay those over there. So now we have this flag red acrylic paint here, and we're just going to use that to paint on the mouth. So I'm probably going to have to hold this down in my lap to do it, but I'm just going to paint this in. I have another flower pot. My store, I wanted to get like 2 of the gray pots, but you know what? Because it's easier to paint. But you know what? They didn't have 2, so I grabbed this blue one. But anyway, now I'm just taking that the skin tone, the flesh tone, whatever that I chose to use. And I'm just painting. I'm not painting the whole thing because I'm going to try to paint like a shirt or something on here. But anyway, I'm just painting on this part right here. I'm going to let this dry. And then we're going to put on a second coat. I didn't realize that my phone was not recording, but what I did is I took a glue stick. Oh, there's a hair in my mouth. I took a glue stick and some of this white acrylic paint, and then I dipped the glue stick in the paint, and then I just made dots around. Try to resemble lace, I guess. But anyway, I just made dots around here. Okay. I got them a little too close right here. It's okay. It's a flower pot. Okay, so now what are we going to do? We are going to take this blue paint here. This is bright blue. We're going to take this blue paint here. And then I also have a dotting tool. This little dotting tool here. We're going to dip it in the paint and then just kind of add on some accents. To stick with our red, white, and blue theme. So I'm going to get just a little bit more paint. And I don't even know where I'm going with this. I'm just trying to add a little something, something. You know what? Let's just go around like so. See how I'm just kind of dipping it in the paint. And then oh, it's a little too much. Boink, 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 boink. Around like that. And then I'm just going to go all the way around. All right, so let's take a look at what I've got done so far. And I guess I'm just going to stop showing the painting process because this video has been long enough. But this is going to be the bottom here. I might paint this white to look like a belt, and then this is going to be like her little skirt. I got paint all over me. This is her shirt, and I try to do that to sort of look like a ruffled collar or something. And here in a minute, we're going to be gluing these two together, okay? Like that. But I know it's going to be a little bit difficult to see on camera once I glue them together, unless I zoom way out. But anyway, we're going to work on this. So I got this at Dollar Tree. There's also, oops, I'm just knocking things around, and I don't mean to be. Also got this at Dollar Tree, like this strand here. Oops. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this for the necklace on our little flower pot person. I have this floral foam, that I used in a previous project. And we're just going to stick that down in there. I'm not going to glue it down in there or anything. I'm just going to stick it down in there. And then we'll put the flowers in here in a minute. But when the glue gun gets hot, like I said, I'm going to glue this stuff together and we'll come back and let's do the necklace and maybe some earrings. I don't know. Okay, but now I have this heart here. Like I said, I want to try to make this into a necklace. So I think what I'm going to do is let's just take this and I want to try to, if I can, I don't know if I, oh, there it went. There it went. Do I have it? I don't have it. I do have it. Amber? What? Okay. So I just pulled it through. Oh my God. And, okay, just tighten that down. And now we're going to take some of these beads and put on here, like I said, for a necklace. So it's just a matter of taking these off of there and stringing it onto here. And I will be doing that while the hot glue is getting ready. Okay, so hold on. I'm going to try to move this so that you can see. Okay, so this is what I have so far. Is that not funny? Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're just going to take this and I'm just going to tie it around the neck. Okay, and then probably glue it on the back just to hold it together. Let's try to get this to where it's not flopping around or anything. But yeah, so I'm just going to tie the necklace around the neck. I'm going to touch up some of this paint and I'll put the flowers in it. And then I'm going to take a picture, okay? All right, so let's take a look at this. As you can see, these are the earrings. I just took that ornament and I just took off some of the beads and I just glued it around that little post thingy that I glued on the side for the ears. That's all I did. That's all I did. All right, so I think this is pretty much done. I'm going to take this outside so I can get a good picture of it. And I'm going to put the flowers in it. I got these flowers also from Dollar Tree. They had a bunch of different types of red, white, and blue. So it looks like carnations. And then, you know, we have these. I just have a handful, okay? But like I said, let me go out there. Let me arrange these, try to make it look somewhat decent. And, I'll take a picture for you. But anyway, if you would, please give this video a thumbs up. Click subscribe. Check me out on other forms of social media. The links to all of which will be in the description box down below. And I will see y'all next time. Bye.